In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a Miro board as HTML, the perfect way to make your projects interactive and shareable on your website or intranet. Whether it's for a presentation or a team brainstorming session, embedding a Miro board makes collaboration smoother and more dynamic. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we start. Begin by opening the Miro board you want to embed. Once you're on your board, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click the three-dot menu. That's your More menu. From here, hover over Board, then select Export. In the Export options, choose Embed. Alternatively, you can use the Share button at the top right corner and head directly to the Embed tab. Miro will now open a dialog box where you can customize how your board appears when embedded. You will have two main navigation modes to choose from. The first is free navigation, which lets viewers explore your board freely. Perfect for interactive experiences. The second is presentation mode, which keeps the focus on specific frames, ideal for guided overviews or client demos. You can also set a start view or choose a specific frame for your audience to see first. This helps you control what they focus on when the board loads. Great for highlighting key content or visual summaries. Once you are happy with your settings, simply copy the generated embed code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the board to appear. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your Miro board as HTML. It's an easy, powerful way to make your work accessible and interactive for your audience. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials.